Hey, Rena, hope you're doing well. Let's see, here's our agenda for today. This is Friday. I'm going to add a new assignment into your classroom. Your class is just a little bit behind yet, but you're catching up quickly, so that'll be good. Yesterday in class, we went through the map. I didn't look at your map just yet. I looked at your assignment, though. Yeah, there we go. And we talked through just a couple of the things that we noted on the map. I'll have to go back and walk you through this. So what we did here was you matched up maybe the colors, I see. Sure. We wrote in the name of the country. So like country number 1 here is Pakistan. And country 7, which I had the students color their map, but you didn't have to, is the Maldives. Tiny islands down there. So maybe you want to go back through and change these so you're writing in the name of the country. So this would be country number 2. It curves through there, and you'd write it here on the line. And we talked through a couple of these questions on the back just to see what we know or what we're thinking. And we talked through your answers that you have here. Talked through this. The Himalayan mountains, are going to make travel difficult. It's going to change weather or climate systems. Places along the ocean import and export and have fishing industries. Mr. Bell. And then this question here, which is, you're correct. We also added in religions like Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam, and Jainism. Today I'm going to add to your classroom the 3rd section, which is going to cover a climate phenomenon that happens in South Asia called the South Asian monsoons, and just talk about why they're needed and devastating at the same time to this part of the world. So I'll put that reading in there from chapter 17, 1.3, and the assignment that goes with it. Have a great weekend. Bye.